This is ZBB, our famous black to blue HyperShift. This stuff is incredible. And the suggested pigment load on this pearl is 5 grams a gallon. The suggested number of coats to get that pure black to blue shift is 2 coats. But today, we're going right into uncharted waters. We're going to use 20 grams a gallon, which is 4 times higher than the suggested pigment load. And we're going to do 4 coats, which is 2 times higher. You do the math, there's a lot of increases here. So the question is going to be, what is going to happen? We've done an overload on the black to purple. It went completely nuts. We've done an overload on the black to orange. Also pretty nuts. Black to blue, I have no idea. Check this out. Is that deep? Have you ever seen anything deeper than that? I didn't think so. Here's what I know about the black to blue pearl. If you go a little bit too far with it, which we've seen people do, you start losing the black to blue and you start getting the blue to purple. The purples creep in quick. So, Gabe, rapid fire. Are we going to see any blue in this car?
It's going to be blue, but we're going to get some other stuff going on.
Are we going to see any amber?
I think so.
Any greens?
No.
Are there going to be any black tones left?
There may be.
Well, the beauty is, we don't know. So you guys and us, we're going to figure it out at exactly the same time. So here's 15 grams, and then this will be 20. I know it doesn't look like a lot. We've used 50 up to 75 grams of other pearls in the past. But for a pearl that you're only supposed to be using 5 grams of, that is proven to be extremely sensitive, we're really knocking the doors down here. All right, let's get this blended up. Even the stick of truth should show something different because we're already way over where we should be. So I really don't think, I don't know. Here's what I'm seeing. What are you guys seeing? It's dark. It's still a lot darker than I thought. When you overload the purple to black or the orange to black, it starts firing off pretty quick. So I don't think we're going to know what's going to happen until we get it on a car. Any predictions?
I have no idea.
Me neither. All right, you guys ready? I'm ready. You? Yeah? Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. And it's funny because we have overloaded other ZB pearls before, and it's very clear that they all seem to react differently. What I will say about this one, this is definitely a color I would personally rock on a car. I actually really like it. I'm gonna take it outside right now. I really wanna know what you think though. Take a good look at the car, leave a comment below, rate it for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you don't, if you would have it on your own personal car, and if you wanna change the color of your car, whether it's peelable paint or permanent paint, we've got a ton of kits, a ton of different colors, and they're all do-it-yourself friendly. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a blast in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.